Hello students, myself Trupti Patel from Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Today we are going to study extrinsic semiconductors and doping. First let us study the meaning of doping. The process of addition of minute quantity of impurities to a semiconductor to increase its conductivity is called doping, and the added impurity is called dopant. Extrinsic semiconductor, a doped semiconductor having higher conductivity than pure intrinsic semiconductor is called extrinsic semiconductor. Extrinsic semiconductors are classified into two types, N-type semiconductor and P-type semiconductor. First, let us study N-type semiconductor. N-type semiconductor contains increased number of electrons in the conduction band. N-type semiconductor is obtained by adding group 15 elements to intrinsic semiconductor which belongs to group 14. Let us study with example. Observe the diagram carefully. Doping of silicon with phosphorus. Silicon has a crystal structure in which each silicon atom is linked tetrahedrally to 4 other silicon atoms. When small quantity of phosphorus is added to pure silicon, phosphorus atoms occupy some vacant sites in the lattice in place of silicon atoms. The overall crystal structure of silicon remains unchanged. Observe the diagram. 4 of the 5 electrons of phosphorus are used in bonding with 4 silicon atoms. Phosphorus has 1 extra electron that needed for bonding. Silicon doped with phosphorus has more number of electrons in the conduction band. The electrons in the conduction band move under the influence of an applied potential and conducts electricity. Now, because the charge carriers are increased number of electrons, silicon or germanium doped with group 15 elements such as phosphorus, arsenic. Second type, that is P-type semiconductor. Let us study P-type semiconductor. Doping a pure semiconductor material, that is silicon or germanium, with an impurity of group 13 elements. These elements contain less number of valence electrons than that of pure semiconductor. Let us study with example. Observe the diagram carefully. Pure silicon doped with boron. The boron atom occupy normal positions of some of the silicon atoms in the lattice. Boron atom has only 3 valence electrons. Observe the diagram. You can see conduction band. There is a hole, valence band. Boron atom forms bond with 3 silicon atoms only. The missing 4th electron creates an electron vacancy. We call it as hole. A hole has a tendency to accept electron from its close vicinity. A hole behaves as if it has a positive charge. The electrons in partially filled valence band move under the influence of an applied potential. The hole moves in opposite direction. Now, because the charge carriers are holes, which behaves like positive charge, silicon or germanium is doped with group 13 elements like boron, gallium, etc. Thank you.